In this video, I will show you on how to restrict who can message you or contact you on your WhatsApp account. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. Go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top. Go ahead and click on settings. Click on privacy. Then scroll down right here, all the way down. Click on privacy checkup. Go ahead and click on choose who can contact you. So here you go. You have two important settings you enable right here. One of them is groups right here. Go ahead and click on that. Then here, who can add me to groups? If you put it in everyone, it means that even people that we are not in your contact list on your WhatsApp account can add you to a random group. If you put it in my contact, it simply means that only people you know can add you to any WhatsApp group. If you put it in my contact except, it simply means that you are giving a room to people that can no longer add you to your WhatsApp group. You can select as many as possible contacts right here. Once you select any of the contacts right here, those contacts you selected will not be able to add you to any WhatsApp group. Just like so. So let's go back. So I'm going to leave it in my contact right here, which simply means that only people in my contact list on my WhatsApp can add me to any WhatsApp group. And this is one of the best privacy settings you need to enable for you to stop unwanted or random WhatsApp group. Then let's go back. The very last one here is silent or no callers. Go ahead and click on it. The next thing you want to do right here, calls from unknown numbers will be silent. They will still be shown in the calls tab and in your notification. Just go ahead and make sure you turn on this particular button right here. With this, people that we are no longer in your contact list will not be able to call you in your WhatsApp account. It's that simple. And this is one of the best ways to control spam calls in WhatsApp. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use WhatsApp, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.